landing right below us. More flaps. Full flaps. Turbulent. Woohoo! Runway, airport, factory, taxiway, landing. Whee! That is a lot of arrivals. 4 departures.
Ladies and gentlemen, U.S. Airways would like to welcome you to Philadelphia. The time now is approximately 7:22. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep it out clear until we are parked at the gate. The captain will then turn off the fasten seatbelt sign indicating it is safe to stand. Please use caution when opening your red compartments and removing items as articles of the intended shift during flight. You may now use PDAs, two-way pagers, and cell phones. However, all their personal electronic devices must remain turned off as stowed until we have come to a complete and final stop at the gate. On behalf of U.S. Airways, and especially your crew, we'd like to thank you for flying with us. It certainly has been a pleasure serving you. We look forward to seeing you again soon on U.S. Airways flight. If you are making a connection on U.S. Airways or U.S. Airways Express flights, check the television monitors for updated gate and flight information. If you are connecting on U.S. Airways Express flights in the F concourse, you need to proceed to gate A1. There will be shuttle bus service available for you.